Hi guys, we are back again. Back for the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars in today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 15th, 2020. We have here in the additional a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2015. Alright. Yeah, today's sad day because the full lockdown has been started and we need to be a prisoner in our own home until January the 19th. Yes, 5 whole weeks. Capture in your own home. Alright. Let's continue with this 4-star Sudoku. I have already counted the printed digits, and the publisher has published 25 printed digits. In the early days, 24, but again, 25. Alright, so let's get started. The second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8 in this big square, so no 1 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. So the 3, 5, and a 9. 3, 5, 9. We see here 3 and a 9. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 box left in the second column for the number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 7. 4 and a 7 we have here. So in this box, no 4 and a 7. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Huh? 4 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about the 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row? So the row above, only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about Let me see, the number 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for a 1 should be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. 2, 2, 4, 7. Alright. This is a 1, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9, we see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the row above, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Two numbers left in the middle column. Those numbers are the 2 is missing and the 5 is missing. In this middle column, the 2 and the 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the middle row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left. Those numbers are in this big square, the 2 and the 5, 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the column next, the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in this row, the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 2 should be here. One number left in this row for the number 3. Yeah, 3 is missing. Yeah. The 3 is missing. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for a 3 should be there. One number left in the last column for the number 9. 9 is missing here. Yes. One number left in this big square for the number 9. Then yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing in this big square. We see there 4, no 4 in those two boxes. One box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for a 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 5, all white. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 3 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 8 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. How about those two numbers in this big square? The 1 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 1 and the final two numbers of this big square. For the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. 2 minutes. Yeah. How could that be? A 4-star Sudoku. Is this really a 4-star Sudoku? No, I don't think so. Because a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really a hard one, yes. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling doing the lock and down. See you later with the last two Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. Bye bye for now.